Kung hindi nyo kayang maging faithful sa inyong mga asawa, wag na kayong mag-asawa, period. Kung ikaw ang lalaking asawa at nahuli mo ang asawa mo, maaari kang mag-file ng criminal case for adultery. Kung ikaw naman yung wife at yung asawa mo ay guilty of concubinage, sa palagay mo, pwede kang mag-file ng kaso for concubinage. So, pag tiningnan mo, parang may disparity talaga dun sa treatment ng babae at saka ng lalaki in terms of crimes. When actually, both of them are plain cheating, di ba? It's both crimes of adultery and concubinage. Essentially, it's a violation of their vow of fidelity. Pero yung lalaki na guilty of concubinage, and if he's found guilty, yung mistress niya, walang kulong, actually. Hindi siya kinukulong, nababanish lang siya. The penalty is destierro. The theory of that penalty is that to keep her protected from the relatives of the wife. You can try to fix the marriage, di ba? Pwede mong patawarin ang iyong asawa, in which case, well, then you just move on. Pero kung talagang hindi mo matatanggap, the law does not require you to continue to live together with somebody who cannot maintain, di ba? Who cannot keep true to the promise of fidelity.